Thank you for participating in the guide to use and specify cast-in-place Formliner systems, brought to you by Architectural Polymers. Architectural Polymers Formliner systems have been widely used in a variety of precast and cast-in-place building projects. All formwork should be sufficiently rigid to remain sealed during concrete placement and vibration. Strike level chalk lines marking the upper and lower edges of the form liners. It's important that forms for architectural concrete be aligned and in common planes. Refer to the blueprint for the layout diagram and place the first liner against the concrete form at the proper location. Using nails or screws, screw through the concrete form into the back of the liner. Fasten securely to the form. Pay strict attention to the pattern of the liners and match edges to the chalk lines. Keep the seams as tight as possible. Using a circular saw, trim the liners to the correct length and width if required. The plywood backer of the liner may also be trimmed out to allow for the liner to bend to form an inside corner. Continue to follow the blueprint until all liner pieces are secured to the forms. Using silicone caulk and a caulk gun, seal and smooth all seams to prevent leakage. Using a sprayer with a wand extension, spray the liners with AP Release 2550 before each use. Vary the angle of the spray to ensure complete coverage of all patterns. Strip the formwork within 24 hours of concrete placement. To avoid variations in concrete color, it's important to maintain consistent intervals from the time of placement to the time of stripping throughout the entire project. First, familiarize yourself with the blueprint and the matching corresponding lightweight liner pieces. Avoid striking the face of the liner with heavy, sharp, or heated objects. The basic materials needed for field attachment and modification of liners include nails or screws, 1 1/4 inch plus, depending on the thickness of the concrete form. Do not penetrate greater than 3/4 inch into the back of the liner. Silicone caulking to seal seams. AP 2550 form release. Cotton rags to wipe excess silicone. As shown in this video, Architectural Polymers' lightweight elastomeric form liner systems are often keyed together, constructing a more pleasing aesthetic look by hiding the form liner seams within the mortar joint areas. Please keep this in mind when considering the design and construction in a high pedestrian or automobile trafficked area. When using Architectural Polymers' HIPS or ABS thermoformed lightweight form liner systems, a rectangular grid pattern may result as the system relies on a 4x8 foot or 4x10 foot sheet. Special care before and after the concrete placement must be taken to eliminate the seams as they pass over a minimal amount of stone faces. Complement your project with staining or colorizing, also available from Architectural Polymers. Count on Architectural Polymers to be your single source for all concrete form liners and related products.